Up to now, we have considered various cases. We went from a very simple case of designing a distillation column for feed entering as a liquid at its boiling point to some complex situations like if the feed is not entering at its boiling point, if the feed is cold, or if the feed is in the form of vapors, or if the feed is in the form of superheated vapors, etc. Then what implications does it have on the calculations? We have seen that. Also, we have seen how we can use the reflux ratio instead of ln or vn or vm, etc., to form the operating lines in the McCabe-Thiele method calculations. Now, another complex situation in which we have multiple feed streams and multiple side streams. ये भी हो सकता है बाज़-औक़ात कि हम एक ही, मतलब कि अभी तक हमने जो कंसिडर किया था वो था कि we are only withdrawing a top product. A case may arise where we are also withdrawing some side stream. Okay, so in that case, how will we calculate the number of theoretical plates? Now, this is a rare situation. This is not what is commonly encountered, but still we will try to form equations, and then we will solve problem 11.3, which will help us in practicing the calculations. Now, in general, a side stream is defined as any product stream other than the overhead product and the residues such as the streams S dash, S double dash, S triple dash. And here you can see in this diagram that we have now two feed streams F1 and F2 and three side stream S dash, S double dash, and S triple dash. So we can have multiple feed streams and multiple side streams. How we will calculate the theoretical stages in this case? ये हम पहले से डिजाइन करने से पहले ये चीज कर लेते हैं establish के we will have a 1 or 2 side streams as well, right? Now F1 and F2 are separate feed streams to the column. Side streams are most often removed with multi-component systems. Now, this is very important that for binary components, you will hardly see any distillation column operating with multiple feed or multiple side streams. However, with multi-component system, just like the fractionating column of a crude oil, where we have so many fractions, you will have multiple side streams. Now, side streams are most often removed with multi-component systems, although they may be used with binary mixtures, but very rarely. A binary system is now considered with only one side stream. So our job is made a bit easier with only one side stream. S dash represents the rate of removal of the side stream and XS dash its composition. Assuming constant molar overflow, then for the part of the column above the side stream, the operating line is given by, as you can see, this is the same equation 11.35. बिल्कुल उसमें कोई change नहीं हुआ. Top operating line equation will remain the same. Yn is equal to ln over vn, xn plus 1 plus d xd over vn. Now here is the diagram on which we are applying material balance. So above in the top part of the column, since nothing has changed, so the equation will also remain the same, the top operating line equation. Balances for the part of the tower above a plate between the feed plate and the side stream gives Vs is equal to Ls plus S dash plus D. As you can see here, if you apply the balance on this one, you will see that Vs is going out of the column or out of this portion. D is going out of this portion. S dash, the side stream, is also going out of this portion. And the only thing entering the input value is Ls. So we have Ls is equal to Vs plus D plus S dash. So Vs is equal to Ls plus S dash plus D. And now multiplying it with the mole fractions of the more volatile components, we have this equation. Vs yn is equal to Ls xn plus 1 s dash xs dash. So xs dash is the mole fraction of the more volatile component in the side stream plus dxd. Now yn will become this. This is similar to the top operating line and the bottom operating line which we have encountered previously. Again, it will have the slope Ls over Vs, just like the top operating line has the slope Ln over Vn and the bottom operating line has the slope Lm over Vm. So this has the slope Ls over Vs, and this is its intercept. S dash xs dash means total side stream withdrawn or moles of the side stream withdrawn into mole fraction of the more volatile component in the side stream plus dxd over vs. Since the side stream is normally removed as a liquid, Ls is equal to Ln minus S dash. So just like we had Lm is equal to Ln plus F. Right, so we have Ls is equal to Ln minus S dash because Ln will be flowing here and we are withdrawing S dash from Ln here. So Ls obviously will be equal to Ln minus S dash. And now putting this Ls is equal to Ln minus S dash here, we have Vs is equal to Ln minus S dash plus D. So S dash will be cancelled. We will have Ln plus D, and you know Ln plus D is equal to Vn. So we can say Vs is equal to Vn, right? क्या किया हमने कि from the material balance we can see that Ls is equal to Ln minus S dash, right? Now putting this here in equation 11.69, we will have Vs is equal to Ls is equal to Ln plus D, or Vs is equal to Vn. The line represented by equation 11.35, this one, has a slope Ln over Vn passes through the point XD. तो हमने देख चुके हैं हम कि टॉप ऑपरेटिंग लाइन ड्रॉ करने के बहुत से तरीके हैं. एक तो ये है कि XD एंड 0 dxd ओवर Vn, ये दूसरा पॉइंट बनता है, या फिर आप स्लोप से भी बना सकते हैं और या आप रिफ्लक्स रेशियो से भी बना सकते हैं. Now equation 11.71 represents a line of slope Ls over Vs which passes through the point y is equal to x is equal to s dash xs dash plus dxd over s dash plus d, which is the mean molar composition of the overhead product and side stream. अब इसको इन्होंने थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लेक्स कर दिया है. हम ये कह सकते हैं कि बिल्कुल इस तरह जैसे यहाँ पे पॉइंट होता था, आपके पास ये जो लाइन है साइड स्ट्रीम की जो लाइन हमने ड्रॉ करनी होगी, दैट has the slope Ls over Vs and it will pass through xs dash simply. It will pass through xs dash just like xd and xd or xw. Since xs dash will be less than xd, obviously xd is the mole fraction of the more volatile component in the top product. तो top product में उसकी mole fraction ज़्यादा होगी और side stream में कम होगी. And Ls will be less than Ln. Obviously, this additional operating line cuts the y is equal to x line at a lower value than the upper operating line, though it has a smaller slope as shown in figure 11.23. So as you can see here, that if we have a side stream, this is our top operating line having slope Ln over Vn, right? This is our bottom operating line having slope Lm over Vm. We have already studied that. Now, another operating line will will enter into the frame, and this will have the slope Ls over Vs, and here it will cut the top as well as the bottom operating lines at 2 points. Now we will start doing the calculation. We will start doing the calculating the plates in the region between the feed and the side stream from this point. ये बात समझ में आपको कि हम फीड और साइड स्ट्रीम के दरमियान अब आपके पास कॉलम जो है ना वो 3 हिस्सों में डिवाइड हो गया है. वन इज दिस section above the side stream. The other section is between feed and the side stream, and the third section is the bottom section, stripping section, right? So we will calculate the plates individually in each section. First, the operating line, the top operating line, यहाँ पे हम plates calculate करेंगे. Then from this point onwards, we will start calculating the plates in the region between the feed and the side stream. And finally, from this point, this intersection of the side stream line and the bottom operating line, we will start calculating the plates for the bottom section. ठीक, तो ये बस आपके पास चेंज हो जाती है. अब हम इसको डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट करेंगे इन द फॉर्म इन अ प्रॉब्लम 11.3. दिस विल बी अ गुड एग्जांपल ऑन हाउ टू डू द कैलकुलेशंस विद द साइड स्ट्रीम. Okay, so 11.3. Now, this is very interesting in the first part. In the first part, we have to calculate the kilomole of the side stream. How it is calculated from the statement, it is very interesting. So let's see. A mixture of water and ethanol containing 0.16 mole fraction ethanol is continuously distilled in a plate fractionating column to give a product containing 0.77 mole fraction ethanol and a waste of 0.02 mole fraction alcohol or ethanol. So we have XF 0.16, we have XD 0.77, and we have XW 0.02. It is proposed to withdraw 25% of the alcohol in the entering stream as a side stream containing 0.50 mole fraction of alcohol, right? So XS dash or XS is equal to 0.5, and we have to withdraw 25% of the alcohol, right, in the entering stream. Determine the number of theoretical plates required and the plate from which the side stream should be withdrawn if the feed is liquor at its boiling point. चलें ये तो इसने आसानी कर दी कि feed is liquor at its boiling point means that our XF XQ will be equal to XF and a reflux ratio of 2 is used. Okay. Now we will apply an overall material balance और उसमें आप देखें F is equal to D plus W plus S. Now we don't know D, we don't know W, and we also don't know about S. S भी हमें निकालना पड़ेगा from this statement. अब इस statement पे जरा गौर करें. इसमें वो कहता है कि it is proposed to withdraw 25% of the alcohol in the entering stream. If we know the amount of alcohol in the entering stream, we can calculate S. अब ये हमें बता रहे हैं कि जो XF है that is 0.16. हमने F को तो assume ही करना होता है. F is equal to 100. So 100 का 0.16 means 16. So from the assumption we have 16 moles of alcohol in our feed stream. 16 moles of alcohol in the feed stream, right? It is proposed to withdraw 25% of the alcohol in the entering stream. If we have 16 moles of alcohol in the feed stream, then its 25% will be equal to 4, right? So 4 moles of alcohol will be withdrawn as a side stream containing 0.50 mole fraction of alcohol. Now side stream will contain 50% of alcohol. We know from our calculations that the side stream will contain 4 moles of alcohol, and this 4 mole is the 50% of the total side stream. So the side stream will contain 8 moles, right? तो ये आप देख लें यहाँ पे इसमें taking 100 kilomole of feed to the column as a basis, 16 kilomole of alcohol enter because 0.16. and 25%, that is 4 kilomole, are to be removed in the side stream. As the side stream composition is to be 0.5, यानी कि ये जो 4 kilomole है ये इसके total का 0.5 है, उसने खुद कह दिया 50%. That stream contains 8 kilomole. So you must have the concept of how to calculate this, how we have calculated in this case S, because the values may change in the exam question or in the test, but you must have the concept on how to calculate the S, because it has not been given in the statement directly. You have to calculate it. So an overall mass balance gives F is equal to D plus W plus S, and from that 92 is equal to D plus W. Then we will apply a balance of the more volatile component, and we will have D and we will have W, right? Now in the top section between the side stream and the top of the column, R is equal to Ln over D is equal to 2, and hence Ln is equal to 27.1, Vn is equal to Ln plus D, and Vn is equal to 40.65. जब आपके पास Ln और Vn मालूम हो गया तो आपको पता है Ln over Vn will be the slope, and xd we already know that is equal to 0.77. So from xd point we can draw a line having slope Ln over Vn, and that will be our top operating line. Conversely हम एक और काम कर सकते हैं कि 0 and dxd over Vn, because d भी आ चुका है, Vn भी आ चुका है, उससे भी हम जो top operating line है उसको draw कर सकते हैं. Now for the section between the feed and the side stream, Vs we have already read that Vs is equal to Vn, that is equal to 40.65, and Ln is equal to S plus Ls, that is equal to, so Ls will be equal to 19.1. So again we have another slope, Ls over Vs is equal to जो भी अब आपके पास आएगा. Now at the bottom of the column we have Lm is equal to Ls plus F, that is this, and if the feed is at its boiling point, then Vm is equal to Lm minus W is this. So we have the slopes of the three operating lines, the top operating line, bottom operating line, and the side stream operating line. So the operating line is always L over V, and thus the slope in each part of the column can now be calculated. The top operating line passes through the point XD, यानी कि 0.77, and has a slope of Ln over Vn, that is equal to 0.67. And it applies until we reach XS, which is 0.5, where the slope becomes 0.47. Slope change हो रही है. The operating line in the bottom of the column applies from XF is equal to 0.16 and passes through the point XW with a slope of this 2.92. तो हमारे पास तीन ऑपरेटिंग लाइन है, तीन लाइन से वो पास करेंगी जो हमने वो ड्रॉ करनी है प्लेट्स. पहले हम करेंगे द प्लेट्स लाइंग इन द टॉप पोर्शन. Then we will calculate the plates lying between the feed and the side stream, and finally we will calculate the plates lying in the bottom portion. तो ये आपके पास फिगर है, ये आप देख सकते हैं. Okay, you can see here that this 0.77 and up to this point, this is our operating line, first operating line, top operating line, having the slope 0.67, or you can also draw this operating line with xd and 0 dxd over Vn, right? Now for अच्छा, अब ये कहां तक चलेगा देखें. आप हमने ये प्लेटें ड्रॉ करते रहे जब तक एक्सेस इक्वल टू 0.5 हो जाए. एक्सेस इज इक्वल टू 0.5 पे आपकी ये जो लाइन है ऑपरेटिंग लाइन वो चेंज हो जाएगी. इट विल हैव अ डिफरेंट स्लोप, इट विल हैव अ स्लोप ऑफ 0.47. तो देखिए ये 0.47 का स्लोप हो गया, यानी कि आपके पास अब ये जो y एक्सेस है ना वो कम चेंज हो रही है, और dy by dx में जाहिर है y कम चेंज हो रही है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. तो ये आपके पास न्यू स्लोप है. ये कहां तक चलेगा, जहां तक xf आ जाए. xf is equal to 0.16 and here is xf. तो ये आपके पास चलती रहेगी इस पॉइंट तक। इस पॉइंट के बाद हमारे पास जो थर्ड ऑपरेट यानी कि बॉटम ऑपरेटिंग लाइन है, दैट विल मेक एन अपीयरेंस, और ये आपके पास लाइन है जिसकी स्लोप बहुत ज्यादा है 2.92। सो दिस इज द स्लोप। तो ये यहाँ पर जहाँ पे कट करेगी, अब यहाँ से जो थर्ड यानी कि बॉटम पोर्शन में आपके पास प्लेट्स हैं उनकी काउंट शुरू हो जाती है। तो क्या पता चला कि 4 प्लेट्स आर लाइंग इन बिटवीन द टॉप एंड द साइड स्ट्रीम। Further, 2 plates are lying between the feed and the side stream, and you can say 3 plates in the bottom portion. So the steps corresponding they may be taken as shown, and 8 plates are required with the side stream being withdrawn from the 4th plate from the top. अब उन्होंने ये भी पूछा था कि साइड स्ट्रीम कहाँ से लेके हम निकाल रहे हैं, तो ये है 4th प्लेट फ्रॉम द टॉप, और जो फीड स्ट्रीम है वो हम 6th प्लेट के बाद फीड को एंटर कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम द टॉप। 6th प्लेट फ्रॉम द टॉप के बाद हम फीड को एंटर कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे इस प्रॉब्लम में। So this is how we will deal with a side stream.